All right, so I have got it in, more or less, and we got to make some adjustments. As expected, I expected it not to fit the way I really wanted it to. But this is the first one printed, so this is what it looks like. The profile is way too elevated, so I'm thinking maybe I can take out probably 40% of the plenum to angle it down just a little bit like this. Put a little a plane in there, and that will cause it to, obviously, it would reduce the size of this intake right here. It would then bring it down in size to be closer to the original throttle body size, or the throttle body size that we have on that guy there. Being that it's the first, it doesn't look impossible, right? It doesn't look bad, doesn't look impossible. It's just a little big. So what I'll do, like I said, I'll try and angle just the plenum, maybe even round this out way, like have this part of the runner be the edge and kind of just angle it down like this. And then this whole inlet right here will probably be, it would be smaller in diameter and then kind of probably lower on this part here. That's the idea. I might, how else I would like to do it, but if you guys got any ideas, let me know. But yeah, this is kind of how it looks. I mean, it clears fine in the back here. Clears just fine in the back. Very good clearance, like all around. You know, I can even put port injection spots right here along this right here, potentially anyway, if I can get the size of the overall body to fit. That's the update. But let me show you also another thing that I need to adjust here. See if I can get this off with one hand. I use those cardboards to hold it in place here. So the other thing that I need to adjust, I got all the bolt holes right except the end ones. So this one's not lined up properly, and the one on the end over here is not lined up properly. But the center and the two here are pretty spot on. Overall, though, it's, like I said, it's a very promising look. These can be made out of carbon fiber, 100%. I'll probably get this flange made out of the same material that the Ultims 9085 printed. I'll get the flange printed in that. And then I'll fuse it to the runners, which would be made out of carbon fiber. Most likely I'll have the body also made out of carbon fiber, potentially, depending on how I can split up the body to where I can, some of it could be Ultims, some of it could be carbon fiber, but it'd be a cool look. So yeah, even with these holes, I was trying to mimic the ports, or the vacuum and blow-by ports. You know, there's a hole here for the vacuum that goes to that, and then this blow-by nipple there. That's that. I know it's somewhat underwhelming. I mean, it's somewhat disappointing, but at the same time, it's very much exciting, because this is probably 1 out of 3 iterations of the part, and being that it's the first, it turned out wonderfully. I just started learning SolidWorks literally with this project. I'm super excited, and there's so much more potential. So that's that, guys. This is Can't Fit with the Honda Fit and an intake that will fit at some point. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right.